Well, the project is it's a stage. It's a portable classroom stage that my kids designed that some drama club or theater arts classes can use throughout the school.
We drilled holes with screws and we assembled them, used hinges and uh, plywood as tops. It was pretty fun working with groups and friends.
Everyone gets to work on it, and it's not like a one-person project.
It collapses into half size so that it can get stored away easily in a closet or storage room. And it's a full 4 foot by 8 foot sheet of plywood that basically condenses down into two 4x4 sections.
So we're excited to really get them in the mindset of being a professional theater actor or technician. We're excited that they are going to be able to take their craft kind of to the next level.
Before any of this happened, we really just thought about how we can maybe come up with something to help solve a problem within the school. That design lab class does a lot of that. We build cornhole games and washer boxes for PE and quite a few things like that we try to recognize a need and then design a solution for the problem.
I like how they're definitely all benefiting from it, and it's gonna be used for a while, so more and more people will be able to use this.
It's kind of the idea of like, oh, we're gonna take your assignment and put it on the fridge or in the hallway and elevating it. It's actually serving a purpose. It shows the students in the woodworking class, I'm not just doing this for a grade, I'm doing this to help people. And it shows the people in the theater classes, we really are a community of artists and students who can come together and build something better than any one of us could by ourselves.